This is the time to start creating codes and projects, the beginning of your operations. Just some jargon here so that we will not get confused. A quote or proposal is being sent to the client. It might be approved or abandoned. If it will get approved, it will then turn into a project. Fundamentally, both quotes and projects have similar basic elements. They are the same, even though projects can store more operationally geared information like tasks and hours worked and even invoices. More to come on this. Now, by clicking Create, we are taken to this page. Information to be populated could be the project name, the project category. In the Details field, you can add any information you think is relevant for the project. Now for the address, I would like us to have a look on the map. This is a direct link with Google Maps, therefore the environment shouldn't be unfamiliar. I can search for an address here. Now I can click this button and all information will be copied in the actual address fields. Apart from that, Compass will allow you to create the relevant area that the works will take place. You can either use a pin or a polygon. Other mandatory fields have to do with who inquired for the project. We only have this contact here, so we'll pick this up. It is a good practice to also set a quote submission deadline to allow Compass to warn you on any impending deadlines. The estimator, that should be you, and the probability is a function that can generate quite some insight, especially for forecasting pipeline works and taking informative operational decisions. There are several more fields that you can populate information regarding operations and finance. Quite self-explanatory names for you to navigate, like who's the project manager of the project, who's responsible for the works on the field, in the office, the quality check, and the delivery. When we're ready, we'll click Save. As we can see, Compass will warn us for any possible fields that we haven't completed yet. In this instance, it's the field Source, which will allow you to define where the client have heard of us. You can choose email, and then we will have to define some details of that source. And save.